In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, a literary and artistic revolution swept across Europe, giving birth to the Romantic movement. Burdened by the rigid structures of the Enlightenment, artists and writers yearned for a more emotional and imaginative way of expressing themselves. This craving for freedom and individuality marked the inception of the Romantic movement. The landscape of France, Germany, and England was in a state of flux. The French Revolution had shattered the old order, while the Industrial Revolution transformed the physical world. The crisis of faith in reason and reason's ability to solve all problems was palpable. Against this backdrop, Romanticism emerged as a powerful response. Romantics sought to reconnect with nature, the emotions, and the irrational. They rejected the cool rationality of the Enlightenment and embraced the passions of the human heart. William Wordsworth, a British poet, became one of the movement's most influential figures. His poetry, such as "I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud," celebrated the beauty of nature and the power of the human spirit. In Germany, Johann Wolfgang von Goethe and Friedrich Schiller also played significant roles. Goethe's The Sorrows of Young Werther was a groundbreaking work that explored the complexities of human emotion, while Schiller's Ode to Joy became an anthem of romantic ideals. The Romantic movement was not without controversy. Critics accused Romantics of indulging in sentimentality and escapism. Yet, their works resonated with the people, offering a much-needed antidote to the cold rationality of the previous era. The Romantic movement's legacy can still be felt today. Its emphasis on emotion, imagination, and the individual's connection to nature continues to inspire artists and writers. The movement's rejection of rigid structures and its celebration of the irrational still echo in our contemporary culture. In the end, the Romantic movement was more than just a literary and artistic movement. It was a cry for freedom, a yearning for connection, and a testament to the power of the human spirit. It was, in essence, a reflection of the human heart, captured in words, paintings, and music.